hear it. This is Gilly. This is Kim. And this is me. We're currently 1 hour done, 2 hours to go. And this car ride was clearly getting to me. Hey guys, we're at Orange County. We're setting up our booth right now. Sadly, we messed up our menus. I didn't realize the hot cross bun label is wrong and I'm missing a whole row. So, I don't know, I'll just have to tell people. But this is what we're looking like. We also have all of these little logos.
Sticking this under the table.
Okay guys, we basically set up our whole booth. We just need to, I forgot, like command strips or duct tape or anything. So we're just trying to get a banner up there. But this is what our booth is looking like. I had to take those menus out. They were like totally off. So I just put in the Boston Slime Party and SlimeCon just so everybody can see. But this is what the booth is like looking like right now. We have tons of slime. We don't really have an organization just because we don't have like enough to like really make it like look the best. But we also are using this stand-up banner which we made. I'm probably gonna post a video about how we made it. Slime King spotted. Because it was actually pretty easy and really cheap because some of these like banner stands are like literally $70. And also instead of like putting our paper menus in, we're using Kelly's iPad and having it never turn off to have the menu displayed. We're hoping that nobody like touches it or anything. We have our hand sanitizer, wristbands, Apple Jacks, nugget droppings, hot cross buns, water you chewing, Orange County Slimers official, waffle stacks, ice cola, tutti frutti, and blue raz snow cone. So this is what, once again, everything looks like. Okay guys, our booth is officially done. This is what it looks like. Okay, we're at Orange County Slimers right now, and we're going to give these gifts to Glitter Slimes. So I haven't been upstairs yet, but I heard that she's upstairs, so I'm super excited to go see her. I have never met her. For some context, Kim tripped on the stairs, and it was so funny.
I'm sure we can't drive too crazy.
This house was like literally like the first account that I followed when I made my account. Oh my god. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of a future video that I'm doing of me meeting Glitter Slimes and her dog Kota. That one's going to be super fun and exciting, so keep your eyes peeled for that.
Oh!
Hi Eric, want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi vlog, what's up?
Your table looks so good.
Oh my god, thank you, I appreciate
it. Sweet but Psycho. Oh my god, Bob, I would never heard of that. Like, I remember the character, but like, that's such a smart idea.
Oh man, thank you.
This is so good.
Thank you. It's so weird, I always watch videos and now I'm like...
Oh my god, oh, this is the host's booth. These are so like, crazy. Oh my god, look at the charm. That's a good charm. Oh, there's so many glitters in it. Oh my god, that's so cute. We got all of this. Oh, we got nice bags. Slime by Jenny. Ooh. These are really nice. Oh my god, is this pigmented?
Yeah.
That's really nice. Yeah, but that still looks really good. Want to say hi to my vlog? Yeah. Oh my god, that's so smart. These are so good. Oh, I like the sign. That's so smart. Sophia's Super Slimes. Here's our menu right here. Do you want to say hi to my vlog? Your booth looks really good. Oh my god.
It's actually my daughter, so she'll be here in a little
So
bit.
fun. Oh, that's so nice. Look at this. Look at this booth. These are so crazy. I love how you have like the lights under them. Oh my god, look at how clear these are. These are so creative. Oh my god, look at them in 32 ounce. That's crazy. I love turtles. Oh my god. This is so good. Here we have Slime Vibes. take a look at their booth. Oh, they have some supplies. This looks really nice. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Oh, these are nice. Oh, I saw these on Instagram. These are really nice. Oh, that's so good. I like how like the glitters are like not all at the bottom. That's so good. This is really nice. Oh, they have some testers. That's nice. Dazo. I might have to come back here for the Dazo. These are really nice.
Every week I would get one.
Oh my god, look at these.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Good. This is so nice. I like how you have like these like layered type things. Those are so good. Do you want to say hi to this vlog?
Sure. Okay.
This is November Slime Shop. Ooh, what's this?
This is hard tape.
Ooh, that's nice. Like all the glitters in it. This is so cute. I love that.
Thank you.
Oh my god, the cloud goggles. That's so funny. Nice to see you. This is Sunset Slimes. Hi. Whoa, look at these containers. Those are so nice. Oh my god, look at the glitters on that. Oh, is this like a tester type thing? That's really smart.
And like the names are like here.
Oh my god, that's so smart.
Thank you.
Oh, look at all that. That's so like, so satisfying. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? This is the Dream Slimes. Oh my gosh. Oh, they have them open. Oh, this is so smart to put the labels on the table.
Thank you.
Rainbow Chums. Oh my gosh. Try our slime here. That's so fun. Cute popsicle. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Sure.
Okay, we have P-Town Slime Shop. We have all their slimes. Your booth looks really nice. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? I'm still like so obsessed with this booth. Oh my god, look at that too. We need to do something like that next event. Okay, now we're gonna go over here because I didn't get this side. Okay, this one, Slip Slimes. This is their booth. Look at how clear that is. That's so nice. Oh, look at the pigment on that. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Are you the host for Slime for a Cause?
Yeah.
Oh, good luck with that.
Thank
Your booth looks really nice. I love this one. What size is that?
you. 16 ounce.
Oh, I've never seen that before. That's so good. I'm a slime connoisseur. Okay, here we have Sparkles Slime. Hi. I saw your Parakeet Slimes contest entry. That was so good. I'm surprised you didn't win. That was so good.
I was a little bummed that wasn't in the top, but like
I know, you definitely should have been.
I was happy that Jane went over here.
Yeah.
She had a really good video.
Yeah. Your booth looks really nice. I like how it's like layered. Like that's so good. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Oh my god. The cowboy emoji. That's so funny.
It's like the piece. Like 8 ounces.
Oh, that's so good.
I have the sparkle and then the 16 ounce.
That's a good price. That's good price. This is popping right now. This is Lucky Slime Bakery. Oh, yeah, Lucky Slime Bakery. We'll just have to do an overview. But their booth looks really good too. Okay, now we gotta head back downstairs. So this is the downstairs area. There's not as many vendors down here, and it's kind of like a strange like setup. I'm gonna go to the booths down here too. Here we have Slime King. Look at the slimes. Oh, Chester's. That's such a vibrant color. Mango feathers, Mountain Dew. Oh my god, you have clay. I'm gonna have to come buy some. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Oh, I like your banner. That's really nice. Here we have Snazzy Strawberry Slimes. I actually made this shirt for her.
Toppings for $1.
Cherry Slushy. Oh, that's a smart idea. Orange County Cloud. Garlic and Knot. Sour Patch Watermelon. I really want that one. Easter Egg Hunt. Grapefruit Pie Chew. Pink Waffles.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, a Sundae bar. It's okay. That's really good. And then the menu. Cheap, high quality slimes. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Sure, hi.
Okay, and then we have our booth. Okay, this is slimy silver. I like these fairy lights. Oh, and they're like blinking. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Ooh, the balloons. Here we have Scented Slime by Amy. Ooh. This looks really nice. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Sure. Hi.
Glitter Slimes is right up there. Like, we keep seeing her. And like, she was like over there too. Oh my god, I just want to say hi to her. Guys, I got to hug Glitter Slimes and she said she wasn't hugging anybody today. It is actually really hot in here. And I feel so excited about that.
She's pretty hot.
She's pretty hot. Oh my god, look at Kota just going for a walk. He's such a good boy. Kota was just peeking his head through there. That is so iconic. Where did he go? Look at that dog. They're all up there looking at Kota. Oh my goodness, he's such a good boy. He just jumped up on somebody to give them a hug. Oh my god, that was the cutest thing ever. Kota is literally the cutest dog. Follow him on Instagram. I think it's like the Husky Pup Kota or something. He was so cute. This next clip is me standing Nicolette and Kota for the next 10 minutes straight. Nicolette is right there. I want to wave to her so bad. Kota kept like popping out too. He was so cute. I want to try. Nicolette, oh my god, look at him. Look at Kota. Oh my god, Kota is literally the cutest thing in the world.
No, we could just put the box on like
Glitter Slimes. Glitter Slimes. We put out some squishies, so we had to like rearrange it a little bit. But we have some squishies, gummy bear squishies, hi vlog it.
I feel awkward holding a camera.
Hi, how are you doing? I can take a picture right over here.
Yeah, go take a picture by the beer can.
Okay guys, we're going to buy Glitter Slimes right now.
Jesus.
I'm gonna buy 3. I really want to buy 32 ounce, but it doesn't look like she has any today, which is like fine. But I'm gonna buy 3. Slime.
It's dark.
Hi. Okay, there we go.
Work it.
I have 30 shots of this one. It's so good. Ooh, that's nice.
Into that slime. Okay, she's gonna tell you about the stuff that's not slime wrapping. Okay, go ahead. Here you go.
What type of slime is this?
Me and John are having a raffle. So for $2 you get a ticket and then you get a DM from both of us if you win.
I don't know which ones are good.
The raffle and
Work it, Joe. Work it. Tee.
Probably this
the
one.
raffle ends at 2 o'clock and it's 1:53 if you have 7 minutes before the raffle ends.
Yes!
Work it.
Can you buy the glitter slime?
I know. Let's get back.
I wonder where Nicolette is. Okay guys, the event is halfway over. I'm really sad because I'm like having so much fun. And I just like want to like stay here forever. I can't wait for my next events. We're doing really good. We're actually selling like quite a lot of slime. They're having slime contests upstairs and that's why you like hear that noise. They had some microphone troubles as some of you might have seen in my stories. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. I bought 3 glitter slimes for $33. It was supposed to be $36, so I got $3 off, which is really good. Also, Kelly and Kim are going upstairs to look at their booth just to see if they have any of the Megan Dragon Fruit Refresher, because I really wanted to get that one, but like they just like didn't have that one. She ended up selling out of it, and that's why I couldn't get it, and I'm so mad about that. Okay guys, I'm going upstairs to buy some Dazo. I'm buying 3 of them for $9, which is like a really nice deal, so let's go upstairs. Okay, I'm buying from Crafty Kennedy Slimes. This is all of their info. Can I have 3 boxes of Dazo? Thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Just bought all 3 of these. That was a really good deal because I think they're only like $2.50 in store, and then I got them right away. I don't have to wait for shipping. Sometimes you have to pay for shipping. So that was a pretty good deal.
We're vlogging now. They're literally packing up. No, you had to get it before it goes.
Okay guys, this is what the venue looks like from the outside. It's actually like really nice. Let me give you like a little tour, and let me show you where our booth is. So we come in this door, hold the door for Kim. You come in and then there's like a shop with like some motorcycles, some like arcade things. Sadly, Amy just left. A lot of people are like leaving. Slime King left too. And we're like right here. We just like put out some like squishies, some more squishies, because everybody's like loving the squishies. So yeah. Okay guys, Nicola and Kota are back at the booth. I literally need to go right now. I'm getting Kim. Once again, the clips of that will be in my meeting Glitter Slimes and Kota video, so you'll just have to wait for that. Okay guys, we just met Glitter Slimes, Nicola, again for the 2nd time. I had her sign my slimes, she put them in a new bag. Yeah, they filmed like a show here, so I didn't know that they had that filming sign. I literally thought it said slime filming. Sorry this is like, why is this so blurry right now? Okay, so Nicola is literally so nice. That's the first thing that Kelly like said. Like, she's so nice. Like, if you ever get the chance to meet her, she's literally so nice. Like, you don't even have to worry about anything. And then Kota is so sweet. He was like smiling for the camera. He like bit the camera at one point. He was the cutest thing ever. And yeah. So Eric just gave us some gifts, both me and Kelly. So I'm running up there and I'm giving him a "What are you chewing?" because he deserves it. Okay, so let's go get this one. Eric.
Oh my god, thank
Here you
you.
go.
I appreciate it. What's up, vlog? Thank you.
I kind of want a ball. Are you packing up right now? Okay, I might need to go grab money. $9. Okay. I'm actually going to buy Bob, B-O-B, from Eric. Okay.
Thank you.
I literally wanted this for so long. I saw it on your Instagram and I was like, I need this.
Here, let me give you your $1. There you go. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it so much. Can't wait to see the vlog.
Guys, check out Slime Illuminate. All of these slimes.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so we're taking down, I didn't get much footage of us taking down, but that's what we're doing right now. Sadly, everything's away. But we have a long break. This is a good experience just to see what slime conventions are like, and hopefully be better for our next one. She got one, guys. So much help. Okay, run these to the trash. Gracias. Okay, guys, we got Reggie here. We got our giant box of stuff. All basically done. Really sad. There she goes. She's going to the bathroom. Okay, guys.
Go to the bathroom.
Goodbye. This is what happens when you give Kim a vlog camera.
Hey guys. Welcome to Vlogmas.
Okay, thank you to Seaside Slime Factory for hosting this great event. I really loved it. It was like the best first event I could have asked for. Make sure to go check them out.
Bye guys. On behalf of Ashley, thank you so much for coming to Orange County Slimers 2. Make sure to keep an eye out for Orange County Slimers 3.
This is the last of our adventures for Orange County Slimers. I want to say bye to Kota so bad. That's about the end of our Orange County Slimers adventure. Now we gotta run. Dad gets mad at us. This is Kim trying to be a professional vlogger. Yeah, people do that all the time. It's just
Hey guys, what's up?
Yeah. Okay, it's really a professional vlogger right now.
I know.
This is banana. This is banana scented.
Oh my god.
The small ones were cheap, but like that's ready? Is it going?
Yeah.
Break my pipe.
Really close.
Oh, should I spell acne?
It's not focusing.
What? That's the start of acne. That's the start of pretzels. If we take the salt off.
So salty. Hi. Thanks for buying. Hey guys, thanks to everybody who made this Orange County Slimers, my first event, the best possible. My shop right now is currently stocked with all of the overage slimes, so make sure to go check that out. And make sure to check out all these events that I'll be going to over the summer so that you can meet me and I can do another one of these vlogs and have such a fun experience.
In 1 mile.
Bye, guys.